Hi! Driving home from the grocery store, I saw this piece of trash. Yes, let me come around to the other side. Obviously, you know exactly what the hell it is. There's two methods to this. You can either take like a broken roadside mirror, step on it and break it into like about, 100 decent sized chunks, glue it on the inside of the parabolic. All I have to do is just actually take this off and create a platform to hook. You can actually cook meat with this thing. If you don't want it to be super hot, you can actually weld steel with this on a bright sunny day if you use mirrors. Or what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a cooker with it. Yeah, using sunlight. And what you do is you just layer this with some sticky, I actually use stick glue. I said stick, right? Stick glue, and I lay down some Mylar. Yeah, the silver coated Mylar. And which is a Mylar blanket. It's like $1. And of course, I grabbed this off the roadside. Yeah. And then you put a little platform right here you can hook a meat into. You could like take a board and stick out 2 nails, and you just push the meat up onto the board. And then you just point this at the sun, and it will cook your meat. Or if you line it with mirrors, you can actually weld steel with it. Now, you wouldn't want to look at it while you're doing it. You have to get some welder's glasses. But for some place in like the backwoods where you have no power or anything, I mean, you could cook meat with it, or you could weld steel with it. And I just grabbed this like 20 minutes ago off the side of the road. I was like, oh man, this is like roadside garbage treasure. Parabolic dishes are awesome. And if you wanted to buy one and make one yourself, it'd cost you quite a bit of money. But someone's always throwing away a decent satellite dish. Now, the really good ones are the giant old satellite dishes. If you line those with mirrors, oh my God. You could you could literally burn a tree down with one of those. You could actually cut it in half. Literally cut it in half. But those are huge parabolic dishes. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna make one of those. I've made one of these before. I don't think I've ever made a video using it, but yeah, it's not that dirty. All I have to do is spray it down with a garden hose and it's good to go. That's right, girlfriend. I had fun with the spatial geometry and light collimation, focusing light. Yes. I love parabolic dishes. Thanks, DirecTV.